2026-2027 Audi RS6 isn't just another luxury wagon, it's a fire-breathing monster disguised as a family car. This thing is so fast it might just teleport you to the future. But what makes it truly special? Stick around as we break down 7 mind-blowing reasons why this beast will leave even supercars in the dust. The new RS6 is rumored to pack a plug-in hybrid twin-turbo V8, pushing 750-plus horsepower. Yeah, you heard that right. That's like strapping a rocket to a 5-seater. Imagine pulling up next to a Lamborghini at a red light. The guy in the Lambo laughs until the light turns green and your Audi launches like a fighter jet, leaving his jaw somewhere back on Main Street. With all that power, the RS6 is expected to hit 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds. That's hypercar quick. Picture this. You're late for school drop-off, your kid's got a math test, and boom, you floor it. In the blink of an eye, you're at the school gate, and even the principal is jealous of your launch control. Inside, it's a 5-star hotel on wheels, *** carbon fiber Alcantara, and a curved OLED display, ***, that wraps around like a spaceship cockpit. But here's where it gets crazy. Massage seats while doing 190 miles per hour? Yup, Audi's got you covered. Imagine getting stuck in traffic, but instead of road rage, you're chilling with a back massage and a built-in espresso machine. Okay, maybe not the espresso part, but still, Audi's legendary Quattro AWD makes the RS6 stick to the road like superglue. Rain, snow, or gravel, this thing grips like a superhero in a car chase. Imagine taking a tight corner on a wet mountain road at full speed, expecting a slide, but nope, the RS6 just laughs and keeps pulling like it's on rails. The new RS6 will come with AI-assisted driving tech, meaning it predicts your next move before you even think about it. Imagine this. You're about to take an exit ramp a little too fast, but the car subtly adjusts, keeping you smooth and safe. It's like having Tony Stark's Jarvis as your co-pilot, minus the sarcastic remarks. Even with hybrid tech, Audi's keeping that angry V8 growl, thanks to an active exhaust system that can go from civilized luxury to wake the neighbors mode with the push of a button. Imagine rolling up to a car meet, tapping dynamic mode, and suddenly your RS6 roars like a lion that just had its coffee. Instant crowd magnet. Let's be real, most wagons are boring grocery getters. But the RS6 is a supercar slayer with a massive trunk. Need to haul a week's worth of groceries? No problem. Need to gap a Porsche on the highway? Also no problem. Imagine this. You're leaving the store with a cart full of bulk snacks, and some guy in a Ferrari smirks at your wagon. The next moment, you're merging onto the freeway, and that same Ferrari is wondering how a grocery hauler just dusted him. So, is the 2026-2027 Audi RS6 the ultimate all-in-one car? Supercar speed, luxury, AI tech, and practicality. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of performance cars. What do you think? Would you take this over a Lambo? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button for more crazy car content. See you in the next one. Automobile dashing away.